Hey guys, okay, sorry first off that this is like the ugliest setup ever. You can literally see my lights and me, but you know, this is a very important video, and the words I'm speaking are gonna be so important, you're gonna be like, whoa. Also, sorry I look major crusty. I'm not doing too well, guys. I really wanted to get this video up, and
nothing was gonna get in my way.
Even though I'm looking nasty, I need to take a shower, I need to write an essay right now, I need to take a quiz also. I just got home from work and I'm struggling, okay? Today's video, so exciting, guys. I wanted to help you guys out and show you guys some alternatives. I'm calling this kind of like a dupes. It's basically just cheaper alternatives to Lulu leggings. I didn't want to like specifically do Aligns, but a lot of you guys were asking what leggings I buy and stuff, and I get the Lululemon Aligns, and I get them in the 7/8 length because I'm short as frick. My legs are like this. Those retail for $98, I believe. I have 4 alternative leggings to show you guys. I'm gonna say they're all good because I didn't want to show you guys, like, waste your time showing you bad ones, because yeah, but these are the ones that are Melanie certified or Melanie approved, I guess. I don't know. These are all pretty actually, except one of them pretty affordable, cheaper than Lulu. So we're just gonna go in a random order because I have different things to say about all of them. Since they're not all dupes for the Align specifically, they're just like alternatives to Lulu leggings. They all have pros and cons to them, I would say. So this first pair are by 90 Degree by Reflex. I think I talked about these in a haul. I got these from Marshalls. They have this brand at Marshalls and TJ Maxx a lot, and they also sell it on Amazon and online. They have a bunch of different types of leggings by this brand, so honestly I don't even know which ones these are. I'm pretty sure these are the basic leggings, high-waisted leggings. They also have them in 7/8 and like with pockets. They have so many variations, but these are just like super basic ones. One thing about these is they have actual rubber band on the top, unlike Align. Material doesn't feel like Aligns. It feels closest to Wonder Unders, I would say. It would be good for working out or just wearing normally. They have them in a bunch of colors. The biggest pro to these is that they're pretty easy to find because you can get them on Amazon or TJ Maxx or Marshalls, and they're really affordable. At TJ Maxx and Marshalls, they're usually like $16, and on Amazon they're like $20, $25, which is really good. I wouldn't really say they're a Lulu dupe because I would still, even if I had these, I would still want to pay more and get Lulus, if that makes sense. For me personally, I think I would give them a 6 out of 10 just because I got extra smalls and they're still a little big on me, and I had to shrink them in my dryer like 3 times, but that's just because I'm really small and I don't have a butt. Also, guys, please don't make fun of me for not having a butt in the try on. Like, I'm just trying to show you some leggings. We all have different bodies. I know I don't have a butt, okay? They give me major camel toe, which the other ones don't. These are built for people with a bigger butt, so if you have a nice butt, then go ahead and get these. But okay, I just said butt like 10 times. Okay, yeah. So that's pretty much what I'm saying about these. They're great, and they're great if you want to get multiple colors and if you want to wear them to like work out because they're cheap. So if you like wear them out, because I don't want to wear out my $90 leggings, you know what I'm saying? Next off, I have these leggings, which I got from Amazon. These had pretty good reviews. I believe these were $24. It's by the brand Colorful Koala, which I thought was such a cute, quirky name. They also had a lot of colors, but a lot of them were sold out. This brand isn't as well known as 90 Degrees by Reflex. Still had a lot of purchases on Amazon. I think it had like 400, whereas 90 Degrees has like 1,000 plus purchases. These feel like a thicker version of the Aligns. Super soft, but they're so thick that inside almost feels brush. So I like these for, I would say, like winter. I think you might get really hot working out in them, I'm not sure, but they're super good material. They have these in the 7/8 and the full length, but the color I wanted, they only had them in full length, so that's just what I got. It's just this really nice purpley mauve color. This doesn't have any like logo or anything on it, which I like. What's funny about these is it's really modeled after the lines because it has the little butt indent that's supposed to make your butt look better, and it also has inseam on the inside of the leg, which Aligns have. So these are really good. I really like these. Totally buy another pair of these. I had them in maybe like 5 or 6 colors. They also had them with like pockets and stuff. So I think these are really great. I would totally recommend these. I like these ones more than the 90-degree reflex ones in my opinion. The next ones are by CRZ Yoga. I got these in a 00, so I got them in an extra small, which I think is really cool because they have like a bigger range in sizes for this brand. And yeah, I don't know. These are supposed to replicate the lines also in that they have the cool copying the lines inseam. However, they have like a double stitching, if you can see that. There's really no purpose of that. Like, I mean, it doesn't really matter. It has a logo, which kind of like from far away, you'd be like, hey, that's Lulu, but jokes, it's not. These are super soft. They're kind of like the Luxtreme material from Lulu, but I actually like this more because it's stretchier. I really like these. They're white and they're not see-through. In the try-on, I'm wearing black underwear and you can't even see it, and I was so impressed. Like, I mean, obviously if you wear neon pink underwear, it's gonna show through, but duh. So if you just wear some like nude underwear or black, you'll be good. The material's super great. They're so comfy, super great. And the last pair of leggings I got from this brand Glider, did a Pure Barre class, and at Pure Barre they sell clothes and then I'll have their brand on it, but then it's by a different brand, if that makes sense. So I was touching their stuff and I was like, this is so soft, like this feels like great quality, but I don't really care. Like, I don't want it to say Pure Barre on it, or I don't know, I didn't want to pay extra for that. So I was looking at the brand, I was like, oh, I'm gonna look it up online, and the brand was Glider, and so I looked it up. It's pretty expensive. It's kind of the same price as like Fabletics, but they don't have as many deals, which sucks, so it's more expensive, I guess. It's not quite up there with Lulu, but it's almost. But the quality is so good. I'm impressed. I got this pair of leggings. They have a bunch of different colors, great variety. They also have patterns. They have like a lot of stuff. Different materials. Oh my goodness. Here's the thing. They retail for $92, which is literally like $5 cheaper than the Lulus, but I got these ones on sale for $69, which is a pretty good deal. But these, oh boy, okay, they're so soft. So the first thing is Lulu is always sold out of their different colors, especially if you're like a 2 or a 4. They're always sold out of all their colors online and in store, which is so annoying. I would be willing to pay for like this much for different colors if it's by a different brand, if that made any sense. These are the high waist pure legging in a double XS. The color silver bullet. This color is really cool. I don't even sell this color. Like, I was like, ooh, this will look good with this hoodie. It has the logo on the back where the Lulu has it also. These feel really similar to Aligns, but I would almost say they're softer. These are so soft. They have the buttery feeling that Lulu Aligns have, but they're a little bit thicker. They're so comfy. Like, I'm so impressed. I want to buy more of these. Oh my gosh, I love them so much. Just raved about that for a little while. I don't know about their other materials and stuff. I've only tried out this one, but they fit really well. They're super high-waisted. I would say they're actually more high-waisted than Aligns, which is cool because you want to suck in that muffin top, you know what I'm saying? So overall, I would say if you want the most similar as far as like the feel of Aligns, I would say go for the Glider ones. Even though they're really expensive, just track them for a sale, or if you want a specific color, then I would say go with Glider because they're super soft. If you just want like good quality workout leggings, maybe you want a lot of different colors and you want big supply and you want to try out different ones, Colorful Koala and CRZ are both really good, easy to find on Amazon and stuff, and they have a bunch of different colors as well. If you just want like a bunch and you want different colors, you want them to be cheap and you can find them anywhere, I would say go with the 90 degrees one, but I would say try them on first. But I don't know, that might just be me because they didn't fit me. I can't breathe. I just talked about leggings for literally 20 minutes. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I really hope that it was helpful for you guys. If you like this kind of review style video and it was helpful to you, make sure to let me know. And yeah, give me other video recommendations down below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Love y'all so much, and see you in the next video. Bye guys!